Look at that. It's massive. Strawberry farm. And we're going to pick. Ayan, ito yung lalagyan namin. So, maghanap kami ng strawberries. Parang Baguio lang din. Ayun oh, nakikita ko na red. La!
Far side daw, Tayat.
Saan?
Far side, on the far side.
Ah, far. Exciting, exciting. You know, I'll show you. I'll show you the world. Look at that strawberry. Pero doon daw kami manguha sa likod. Magkano kaya per kilo nito?
$20 a kilo.
Hindi, entrance yun. Per person, 10.
Oh, kasali na to, 500 grams. Dapat masarado mo lang, kaya kumain ka ng kumain.
Ah, okay. Eh, hindi to nahugasan eh.
Gasag natin.
Baka may spray siya or whatsoever.
Anong spray? Hindi pwede yan pagka ganun. 14 na kilo. There you go.
Extra tubs. Help yourself. These are weighed on way out. 14 per kilogram.
Yeah.
May bayad talaga ang ano. So you can put as much as you can.
But as long as masarado mo lang.
So okay na yon. Ano,
Okay,
start na tayo? Ah, look at that.
Kumain ka na kumain.
So gusto ko ng pulang-pula. Ha?
Yeah, dito tayo sa dulo. Ayan o, may arrow.
Ah, doon sa kabila. Follow that arrow.
Patainin ko.
Yan na, yan na. Exciting. I'm so excited. Look at that big strawberry in there. I'll pick this one up. Ay, parang hindi siya masyadong pula pero kuhanin ko na. Okay. That strawberry. I want some. Yung pulang-pula talaga. Wala. Dili siya pulatan, no? Like, puti ang...
Ayan mo yung hinog.
Puti ang top.
Kain ka ng kain. Ayan o.
Oh, mamaya na.
Kain ka ng kain.
Mamaya na, punuin ko muna to. Ayan, look at that. Yung malaki talaga. Show you.
Akin na picturean kita.
Oh, mamaya na, punuin ko muna ito. I-continue mo lang tong video na ito, be. Hawakan mo lang, sundan mo lang ako. Wag mong pipindutin whatsoever, ha. Be, daan ako. Sundan mo lang ako. Liit naman ito, ayoko nito. That's strawberry. Ayan. Malaki.
Yung hinog ang kuhanin mo, yung pulang-pula. Huwag yung may puti-puti.
May puti kasi siya.
Ang dami dyan eh.
Look at that strawberry. Pero hinog naman gyapon eh. Pero maasin lang siguro kapag ano.
Oh, ayan na. Tama na yan. Yan, maganda.
One lang. Look at that. Look at that strawberries. So, dagdagan natin. Let's get some more. Why? Oh my gosh. Maslide pa jud ko. Look at that. This one is big. Ay, parang sira naman ito. Ayoko niyan. Over there. Hanapin natin siya. Huwag kang magtago, ha. Huwag kang magtago. I'll get you. Ayan. Okay. Huwag kang magtago. I got you. Okay. Some more. Ah, yun. Nakita ako malaki. Dito ka na nga lang. Teka lang. Dito ka lang. Got some more. Ayan, oh. Ayan lah. It's so big. So big and red. Oh, look at that. May puti. Ayoko nang may puti. Wow! Look at that. Get as many as you can.
Get as many as you can. You can't get as many as you want because your container will not fit.
Nothing to worry. I'll eat later. Parang wala naman ito dito. Parang may nagkukuha din ng ano. Ayoko dito walang red. Or someone is hiding. Yan, oh. They're hiding. Okay. They're hiding in the middle. It's okay. There's not really that red thing. It's okay. Where's my tub? My tub is in here. Okay. Look at that massive strawberry farm. Wow, look at that. So wide. All our strawberries. It's peak season. Strawberries. Wow. Ayun ang pula. Exciting. Tingnan mo, ang laki naman niya. Ayan. Dalhin ko na nga. Ay, ayun! Ayun, oh, pulang-pula. Marami siya dyan.
You should keep eating that.
Lagi.
Lugi ka niyan.
Asa akong tab? Ayun pala sa kabila. Dalhin ko na nga lang. Mahirap yung tab. Mas maganda yung basket. Teka lang. May nakita akong pulang-pula kanina eh. Doon ang laki niya. Sobra.
May mga puti din naman yung sa akin pero konti lang.
Hanapin ko yung malaking pula. Nandito lang yun eh. Ayan, oh. Oh. Ayan. Nandito lang yun eh. Malaking pula. Saan nga yun? Ayan, nagtatago siya. Parang dun sa kabila yun. Ayan, oh. strawberry farm. Ang tamis. Ang tamis. Ano yung lalagyan ko? Ayan. I know na. Etong camera ko, may video siya, front and back. Kalimutan ko. Ang harap. Matamis na malaki, pula. Iba talaga yung lasa niya sa supermarket. Parang nakakabusog. Eat as much as you want and okay, let's get some more strawberries. You know, look how massive is it? How massive is that strawberry farm? Look at this, strawberries. Yeah, I think so. Mine too. It can still accommodate some more strawberries. Look at that dual video. See? Myself and the background.
Yeah, that's good. I didn't know how to do that. Mine have that too. How do you do that?
Yeah, just try to explore your camera.
How do you do that?
Tingnan natin mamaya yung camera mo. Oh, yeah.
May ganyan din naman ako eh.
Oo nga, hanapin mo nga. Ayan oh. Wow, it's so red.
Anong nakalagay?
Dual video sa akin. Meron kang mga options dyan.
More. No.
Anong nakalagay sa'yo?
Panorama lang. Wala. Dapat may dual video din ako eh. Wala eh. Dual video? Wala naman.
Ba? Kita mo sa akin? Yung camera mo, i-on mo. Ay, hindi. Camera mo ba? Pakita mo sa akin yung cellphone mo. Hindi ko makita.
Madilim.
Parang nakakain ako ng...
Mata.
Hindi, yung ano, yung parang damo-damo na pang fertilizer. Ayan ba oh? Yung parang... Sabi ko, oh, look at that big one. And here, it's really big. And over there, are you hiding? Don't hide. Kakain ako ng damo-damo yung parang fertilizer niya. I think puno na ito. But let's get some more. More strawberries. It's white. I don't like white. Oh, look at that red one. I'll eat this. Matamis siya.
Kumain ka na kumain, lugi eh.
Magkano yung strawberry na nabili natin? $4. Maliit yun na tab. Ito malaking tab. Dalhin ko na lang yung aking ano, tab. Tingnan natin kung masarado na siya. Look at that.
Hindi yan masarado yan.
Masarado yan.
Puno yan, kainin mo yan. Pabayarin tayo ulit.
Ay, hindi na nga masarado. Hindi na siya masarado. Okay.
Kainin mo yan.
Kainin. Anong problema dyan? Oh. It's so fresh. Hindi pa rin masarado. Okay. I'll eat some more. Sa apple. Sarap kumain ng prutas pag morning eh.
Kainin mo ba ng kainin? Di ba masarado yan?
Matigas yung puti.
Yan.
Maybe it needs to be arranged
Yeah.
so it can fit. Okay.
Yeah, pwede na siguro.
Can you try to close it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's enough.
Okay,
Let's go.
I'll wait. I'll get some more to eat. Hi, ito, look at that. Wow, laki. Hello. Masarap yung pulang-pula talaga. Ang tamis. Ayan, tatago lang sila. Tara na. Wala namang fertilizer to na tae ng ano, tae ng lamb. Ayan oh, ang laki oh. Pulang-pula. Yung puti, medyo matigas ang part na puti.